but it's a natural problem. I can't do anything for
Okay,
this.
okay,
If
no
you
problem.
if you
No problem. I can manage your background noise. So just try to
okay,
start your conversation. Okay, we will stay here for the
okay,
talking purpose.
okay, I'm talking loudly so that you can hear properly.
Yeah, okay, nice, bro.
Okay. So I want to know firstly what's your name?
Bro, my name is Tanvesh. I am from India, Punjab. I am a student. I am doing my graduation final year currently.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah. So you,
I'm also a student. My name is Zubair Hossain. Do you know that?
yeah,
I live in Bangladesh. Mm, I am I am I am preparing for my higher education. That's why I am trying to improve my English is spoken. That's why I'm here talk to with you.
mhm.
That's it.
Okay, nice thought you have. So,
Yeah.
how much time you are using this application?
How sorry.
It means how long you are using this application?
Oh, I'm using last 3 or 4 days, but before 6 months ago,
Mhm.
I was using this platform regularly, but after a long time, then right now I am starting using this application.
Yeah, bro, same problem I am also facing before time when I was free. So that time I was use this application much time, but in during some reason I was left to using this application regularly. But now, just 4 days later, I am ready to use this application regularly. In every morning, we awake my bed. After awake my bed, we used to start English conversion in this application. So because when I speak in the morning time, people are connected with me. They are good good behavior for speaking English language. And today is my first day. We have found some 4 5 people. They are wrongly talk with me, and after talk few minutes later, they disconnected our call, and they say I am not able to talk to you. So it is bad moment for
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, it's a bad issue in this platform. But when you get a strong partner, you can continue the 30 minutes or 1 hour. It's not possible. It's very funny when I get a strong partner. They do not do anything like cutting call or doing unnecessary work. They are well.
Yeah, bro. Seriously, bro, if I say about my personal experience, so one day I use one time, single time I use this application in single person. When a caller is connected with me, I talk with only one person nearly 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and sometime half hour and full hour. So we only talk single day, single person. So my total overall, my good communication with one person. And sometimes it's happen, bro, because it's a world. There are lots of people and they have lots of different time mindset, so I can't solve this problem, and we will have to manage in these cases, I think.
Yeah. After 2 days ago, I was talking a Indian cricket player who
Mm-hmm.
who is playing on Indian national team.
Okay.
It was amazing for me
Mm-hmm.
that it was my luck. I think
Okay.
I can't believe that he is a national team player. When I was talking with with his, he said that I was talking Bangladeshi cricketer. His name is Mehdi Miraj. Do you know?
Yeah, I know. He's
Oh. When I ask when I asked about her personal, he didn't say me. He said that it's a he's have a restriction. That's why he didn't share anything her personal information.
because this app is all in mention in the screen. You can't share your personal information in anyone because something is private in your life, so you can't share that thing in other person. Because sometime this application problem is you think I am talking to only you, okay, but sometime
Yeah.
this application is connected another person who is not located in our screen and not located in your screen, not located in my screen, and he able to listen our conversation. So that is a bad moment for this application. That's why we this application has written, please keep private your personal information.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So bro.
I want to asking, are you interested in talking in WhatsApp group in future? If you want to better communication, you are telling that you are facing a lot of issues in this platform. If you are interested to talk a WhatsApp group, I have a WhatsApp group. There have I think two people. Sometimes they call me. I talk to them. If you are join it, you can. Don't. It's depend on you.
Okay, bro. Actually, if you want connect with me for the long time, so after disconnected this call, I will text you my number in this platform, because this platform is providing me all facility like WhatsApp. We can talk you another time this application only. But if you interested, connect with me so I can text you my number, no problem. But now we are able to talk, so I think we should stay with our topic. If I will uh, move another topic, so our conversation will be badly. So that's why I'm telling, stay with one topic and continuously with this topic. So
Okay, okay.
as you are telling, if I am not able to talk anyone, so I have a YouTube channel. Every 9 p.m. I was live session from there. So that live session be only there because I have not great audience, so they can connect with me, and I only conversion myself from YouTube nearly 1 hour every day. So it is my
Every
personal experience too that I can do for learning English.
Yeah, that's good. After a few days ago, I was trying to making video in English,
Mhm.
but I can't any specific topic that I will make a video. That's why I can't continue this process to making video. Can you give me some tips? How can I make video and how can I talk in front of my camera?
Of course, bro, you can do anything. Which thing you want to do in your life, you can do easily. Firstly, you will have to prepare for mentally. Then you
Yeah,
have to decide what you want to do in your future. Then you will have to imagine in your mind. After that, you will you will have to review of that your thinking.
yeah,
For example, if you are facing how to how to speak in the front of camera, so you will be have to finish your fear, that
yeah,
you can start that you can start speaking with yourself. So during shooting the video, what actually problem you have to face?
Yeah. Okay. Can you tell your YouTube channel? I want to see you on YouTube.